Plug in the power supply. Connect the compressed air. Adjust the airflow at 0.5 to 0.7 megapascals. The air compressor should be prepared by the user himself. Preheat the code printer for 5 to 10 minutes. Start debugging the machine under Manual Operate mode. Working Station 1. Manual Working Procedure. Suction box on, UD ear on. Arrange the cartons neatly in the bin and sucking the carton into star wheel. Judge the carton's position on the rotary plate. Make sure that the distance of the upper and lower sides of the carton keep 5 to 7 millimeters away from the rotary plate. If the cartons are relatively short in height, the distance of the upper and lower sides of the carton can be controlled at about 2 to 3 millimeters. Move the open carton into next station, and in the process of running, fold the carton lower small flap. According to the carton size, the height and width of the bins can be adjustable. Working Station 2. Manual Working Procedure. Press box on. Print on. Press carton and batch number printing station. According to actual demand and the size of the box, the printer can be adjusted up and down, left and right, front and back. If you need to stop to change the steel characters halfway when producing different batches of products, you should wait for the character holder to cool down before changing the steel characters. Be careful of being scalded by the steel character holder and base. Working Station 3. Manual Working Procedure. Press box on. Insert tongue on. Close box on. Box bottom closing station. There have 3 sensors. Double side 2 sensors for check the upper small flaps to judge box is broken or out of shape or not. Middle sensor for check there has a box or not. Working Station 4. Feeding instruction book device. No leaflets, machine will stop automatically. Stop at the Working Station 6. Operating procedure. Vacuum on, take leaflets on, take leaflets off. After take the leaflets, let the sucker back to the initial position. Clip leaflets. Pull leaflets. Vacuum off. Pull leaflets off. Press leaflets on. Sensor check the leaflets on spot. Press leaflets into box. Working Station 5. Manual working procedure. Push bottle on. Open the gate. Auto-feeding bottle device. Put the bottles on the conveyor belt manually, and the conveyor belt starts to send bottles automatically. Number 1 sensor detects that there are bottles coming. Number 2 sensor starts to count and accumulates to 5 bottles. Start sucking the box into star wheel. The push rod will push the bottles to the bottle feeding station. Number 3 sensor checked the bottle on spot. The feeding buffer is opened and the bottle is put into the box. According to actual demand, can adjust the conveyor belt speed, height, and distance with the main machine. Working Station 6. Manual ejection, the broken box station. Manual feed, the missing leaflet station. Working Station 7. Reserved workstation. Working Station 8. Manual working procedure. UD ear on. Folding box upper small flaps. The press rod and guide track's distance can be adjusted according to the box's size. Working Station 9. Manual working procedure. Insert tongue on. Close box on. Carton upper cover closing station. The sealing knife should be on the same vertical line with the edge of the carton to be sealed, so as to seal the carton accurately. Working Station 10. Reserved workstation. Working Station 11. Manual working procedure. Out box on. Output box device. The width and height of the box track and the position of the box pressing device can be adjusted according to the size of the box. Working Station 12. Reserved workstation. How to change the mold. The carton style suitable for pack on the rotary cartoning machine. Production capacity 20 to 50 cartons per minute. Min carton size 60 by 20 by 20. Max carton size 200 by 120 by 120 millimeters. English version touchscreen. Other language can be customized according to client's special demand.